Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Wasn't so fuzzy? No. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. So these are few sentences.
Only because of the person who has founded this institution. I reach here, Honorable Director of this institution. It is a research statement, conclusion of use of mother tongue, any mother tongue. In Maharashtra we use Marathi, in Karnataka they use Kannada for teaching English, in Gujarat they use their mother tongue Gujarati for teaching English, and because of maximum use of mother tongue in teaching of English, the students of English, the learners of English improve their mother tongue and do not learn English. This is the tragedy. The teachers are unable to express in English before their students, and because of the teachers' lacuna, our students are lagging behind different communication skills of English language. As it is foreign tongue, mother tongue and foreign tongue. English is a foreign tongue. It is not our tongue. It is not our mother tongue. It is foreign language, and there is a great fear in the mind of learners. Why? Because the teachers are not fluent. If the teachers standing in front of the students are fluent, they will enjoy. And this is the problem from very beginning of the learning of English from first standard in Maharashtra up to the 12th standard. This is the issue, basic issue. The teachers are not efficient. They are not fluent. They lag in fluency of English, and that is why the students have fear in their minds. Isn't it? So that fear should be removed from your brain. And how will we be able to remove the fear from your mind, from your brain? Just you should be made fearless in the classroom. You should be made fearless in the classroom. Until unless you are fearless, you cannot run your business. And when you will remove your fear from your mind, if you are sufficiently efficient in your skill of teaching. And that is the issue with all teachers of English. They are not proper presenting themselves so far as our different skills of learning of English are concerned. So, with this warm up, I would like to present myself regarding the foundation course in English, which is great attempt, effort, trial done by your Department of English, and it is only useful for the learners, those who are going to participate in the class. I assure you, all the learners of this foundation course, they will change after 3 months if they do sincerely, if they participate sincerely in this foundation course. Why I say very confidently? Because I have gone through the syllabus designed by the board of syllabus for this course. Are you able to listen me? Yes. Students, do you listen me and understand me what I speak over here? Yes. Or do you have problem to listen and understand me? If you have problem, I will just take it for mother tongue, Marathi. Yes. हे सांगितलं तर कळालं ना मी काय मी तुम्हाला विचारतोय, विनंती करतो की तुम्हाला मी जे इंग्रजीत बोलतो ते समजायला काय अडचण येते काय? ज्याला येते त्याने जरा उठून उभा राहिलं चालेल, मुलांच्यातले विद्यार्थी शिक्षक हा त्याची पण लाज वाटते ना, भीती आणि लाज. We have fear and we are shying. We have great shy in our mind to open the lips. That is the issue. Why we improve our communication skills in English. That's all. Okay. Now, keeping into consideration all these issues of exposing in English or express in English, Now let me present myself. Yes, please. See, I will take care of these slides to present regarding the inaugural address. Foundation course in English. Aim or goal: understanding basic grammar and communication skills in English language for effective use. Now, the basic thing of any task is setting the goal. If you have no goal, if you have no aim of any action that you want to perform, then you cannot succeed in that performance. So this foundation course has nice aim or goal.
Foundation course, the new and small steps. I repeat this sentence. The new and small steps we have taken towards spreading knowledge and enhancing the brain of students.
Congratulate English department for taking and starting first career-oriented course in college. Right from the first meeting regarding starting of career-oriented courses in college, Sheikh and More madam from
in this great occasion, it's my proposed vote of thanks and sincere gratitude to chief guest of today's program, Dr. Grace Apuri sir, who spent his precious time for bless the function. And your father's speech has enlightened us. Thank you, sir. And thanks to President of today's program, GSC Khage, for being a constant motivator and guide. And especially thanks to Ms. Pragya Mahtai, Governing Council member, Jayaprakash Education Society, who she is the backbone of the institution and guiding force in all. I must thankful to Dr. R. Kulji, Head Department of English, and Ms. Jelna Singh, coordinator of the course, and Dr. J.S. Kartik, Ms. J.S. More, Mr. S.T. Kumbar, who worked hard for to organize this function. I thanks to all the department heads and faculty from the various departments and students to present here. Lastly, with the permission of the chair, I declare that today's function is over. Thank you.